Hi again, everybody. This is not much of an action shot, but I thought it would be a good idea to show what I'm talking about with making, since this is not a finger brake. As you can see, I've got a steel bar, about a ½ inch thick steel bar that's about as long. I've got it clamped down using a big C-clamp through this hole here that's going to be the hole for the headstock of the lathe. I've got it clamped down good, and then I just simply bent it up. This is just after having done it right now, so that shows you the action of it, and that demonstrates why I needed to, move the lines to the other side, the cut lines and the fold lines, and I did that just like I mentioned by making 1/8 inch holes and transferring the lines. So far, it's come together pretty good. The next thing I need to do, I'll just when I unclamp it, then I can use a hammer and a little anvil, like bodywork style, to make sure my bends are crisp. Then I can use clamps or vice grips to hold it into position. And I'll probably go ahead and use pop rivets to keep it all in together. And I'll test fit it when I get up to the other workshop. So I'm going up there this week, and I thought that's why I want to go ahead and get this thing bent and somewhat put together. So been a while since I made anything out of sheet metal, and this is definitely, as far as a product review, I like the 30-inch bending brake. It is definitely you're limited by the clamps that you have and the pieces of metal that you have to use as smaller anvils, if you will. I'm sure there's a proper word for that, so I apologize for those of you who know it and I don't. But it got the job done, as you can see. It did a decent job of making the little cover that I need. The point that I was going to make, this is 20 gauge steel. This is really thick, and it probably couldn't do much more than this, although it did bend it pretty easily. But again, you're limited to your clamps. I think this thing's constructed out of angle iron, probably 3/16 or so thick angle iron. So there's the second update today. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted.